Well, if you have chronic back pain, have you been told that surgery is the best treatment option? Well, one practice says there is a holistic approach to treating that chronic pain, which doesn't involve surgery, downtime, or months of rehabilitation. Sylvia Castaneda headed to the Wellness Institute of Nashville to talk to the doctors behind the practice and a patient to see how that approach changed that patient's life.
Just look for the flags, the hallmark of the Wellness Institute of Nashville, a practice that's been helping patients with chronic back and neck pain for more than 15 years. Treating chronic back pain holistically. It's what Dr. Kevin Mitchell and Dr. Ashley, his daughter, do at the Wellness Institute of Nashville. Doctor, talk to us about what are some of the most common causes?
Sure. Well, 80% of the planet will have back pain at least once in their life. Tingling, numbness, bent over pain, getting out of a chair pain, working outside, doing gardening, weed eating, twisting, rotating, all this harms a spinal disc that is weak, and that's where we come into play to repair this.
You use non-surgical spinal decompression to treat this. Why is it effective?
Well, non-surgical spinal decompression gently elongates the spine, allowing blood and nutrients into that disc space. This takes pressure off the nerve, and that helps reduce symptoms, but also contributes to true healing. Our patients love this because they can avoid surgery, injections, and even pain pills.
People at work would notice me. They could tell when my back was aggravated. Ache and pain took a lot of energy out of me. It felt like it aged me like 10 years.
Just sitting caused Michael Janka debilitating pain, numbness, and tingling down the legs caused by a degenerative disc. He tried acupuncture to injections, which only provided short-term relief.
At that point, contemplated surgery.
Instead, he turned to the Wellness Institute of Nashville and non-surgical spinal decompression.
Once I tried it, I'm a believer. When I'm laying on the bed, very relaxing, typically I fall asleep. You can feel that pressure off of that nerve, and once that pressure's off that nerve and you don't get that tingling down your leg, I feel very comfortable coming here. And I look forward to it. So many people don't look forward to going to the doctor. I do.
His coworkers even took notice.
After about 5-6 treatments, they could see a difference in me. They could see the difference in my movement. Life is great. You know, some doctors' offices, you're a number. You're not a number here. You feel like a part of the family. You know, they want you to get better.
He now comes in periodically for spinal decompression, which keeps him moving without pain, numbness, and tingling.
I would highly recommend it. The staff is awesome. I feel appreciated here and well taken care of. Take the tip, see Dr. Mitchell.
I love patient stories like this. Doctors, tell us about a special offer.
Yes, for the first 33 callers, you can have an exam, consultation, and x-ray for only $23.
And we look forward to getting you in and getting you well soon.
Doctors, thank you so much for sharing all this wonderful information and the patient story. I'm going to send it back to you.
Thank you, Sylvia. Book your appointment now at the Wellness Institute of Nashville, 615-883-4244. The first 33 callers right now receive an exam, consultation, and x-ray for just $23. So call now.